Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode on Mighty Mallshop Creations. Today, I'll be showing you my updated version on my Tester's DeTomaso Pantera GT5. Without further ado, let's roll the intro. Alright, so first off, I'm going to show you the body of the car. So, I clear coated it just over once with Rust-Oleum 2x gloss clear. And then I went over and did chrome around the outside. On the actual car, it's supposed to be black, but I didn't really like the way that black looked, especially with the interior color that I've chosen. But, so what I did, I took these chrome paint markers that I'm absolutely in love with. They're really good. Took the fine point one and just dotted around the rivets that go around the fenders. And then I did around the windshield wipers, a couple other pieces. I think the gloss turned out pretty good. It did collect a little bit down here and maybe a little bit back here, but I think it's better than before because there was quite a bit of orange peel from my dad's paint job from forever ago. Yeah, so that's the body. Over here, this is what I've been assembling the most. We have the chassis and the wheels, may I add, all assembled. Actually, there's like absolutely no detail on the bottom. This is where a battery is supposed to go. I'm not quite sure how it's supposed to work with the tires and such, but I'll figure that out. Over here, I did the wheels. As you can see, they're black washed, and I sprayed it with a Rust-Oleum aluminum, not the chrome, the aluminum. And then I did a black wash on it, and I think it really brings out the detail and makes it look more dull and toned. Right here, I did the Goodyear patterns on both of the tires, or sorry, on all the tires. And these back wheels spin too. I did it with this paint marker. It is PBO acrylic marker, white, 0.7 millimeter. I got it from my local Michael's, and I bought it like forever ago, and it works really well. But yeah, the only thing that I really assembled was this piece, and actually, you can pop this out, and you can just take the front wheels out. So if you want to like show someone at the model show how this thing works, and it's posable steering. And the way that it works is, I mean, you can't really see it because it's all blocked off by these plastic pieces, but inside there's basically like notches. So let's say these were notches. It's like this, right? And then when you want to turn it, it goes like that, and like that, and then that, and then that turns the wheel. It's really quite interesting. I found assembling that was, I thought it was going to be hard, but it was actually pretty easy. But yeah, posable steering, really, really cool. And again, you can just pop it back on, like this. Bam. And yeah, see, posable steering. Very awesome. Next up, we just have some painted pieces. We got the seats. Now, do you see why I didn't do black for around the chrome, or around the door trims? I chose this nice cream white for the interior, the seats. I thought it would give some contrast between the blue, and actually, it's not the entire interior that's going to be cream white. The interior panels are going to be just normal black. And another white piece is the middle console and the dashboard. So it should give some nice contrast between all these pieces. It'll really make them stand out in the interior. We have the rear view mirrors. I just painted them with the chrome Rust-Oleum. Little rear view mirror. Again, that was also the chrome. And I forget what they're called, steering column for the steering wheel. Ooh, in my last video, I forgot to show you guys the instructions and the decals. So let me do that now. So, as you open it up, it gives you parts guide. Step number 1, chassis. This is where I assembled the thing. As you can see, the notch is right. It's very hard to see, but right there. That's where the notches are, and then there's notches up there. Connects to the wheel, so basically it turns the bar, which rotates the wheel. That's that part, and then you flip it over. This is the part that I haven't been on yet. The interior to chassis, and then body assembly, which I think I'm quite far from doing that. Windows, taillights, more body pieces, and final assembly. Decals, I would assume. Very awesome indeed. Let me put that back in there. And it also came with this little pamphlet of testers, like items that you could buy. So they did make model kits. I'm not sure if they do anymore. I believe they got bought out by Rust-Oleum, but here are the decals. Tester's decal right there. Pantera GT5. DeTomaso. They do look really yellow, so I'm hoping they go on nice and don't show up. But if you want to see all their cool model kits that they made, there they are, sorry. And items. And that's it. So, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications so you don't miss an upload from me, because you don't want to miss these updates that are coming up. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.